Hello students. So yesterday we have completed the revision from Geography's chapter 2, that is the physical features of India. In total from Geography we have completed 2 chapters. Now today we are going to start up with the revision from Economics chapter 1, that is the story of village Palampur. So let's start up today's revision session now students. So let's start up the revision from the first chapter, the story of village Palampur. So the first condition that I have told you about this village is this is the hypothetical village. What is the meaning of this term hypothetical over here? That is imaginary. All the conditions that we are going to discuss over here about this village Palampur, those are the imaginary situations. And the first topic that we are going to discuss today is the factors of production. So students, what is the meaning of this term factors of production? To understand it, first of all you should be knowing the meaning of the term production. Production का meaning क्या होता है? That the raw material which is available to us, that raw material over here is converted into the useful products. And through what means it is converted into useful products? That is through the various inputs which are there. ठीक है? Say for example, if we are going to combine land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. एंटरप्रेन्योर का मीनिंग क्या है यहाँ पे? द पर्सन हु इज देयर टू वर्क, जो मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था एज ह्यूमन कैपिटल. तो दीज आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय कंबाइनिंग लैंड, लेबर, फिजिकल कैपिटल एंड human capital, and these all they are collectively known as factors of production. So how we are going to organize a production? Through these various factors, that is land, labor, physical capital and human capital. In terms of land, first of all, what is land? A land is a natural resource such as water, forest, minerals. ठीक है? Those are combined together. ठीक है? We can use these water, forest and minerals for organizing the production. The second factor of production is labor over here. तो what is the meaning of this term labor? That is, आपके पास land available है, ठीक है, वेरियस रिसोर्सेज यू आर हैविंग द मिनरल्स अवेलेबल विद यू आर हैविंग वाटर अवेलेबल विद यू. अब उन सारी चीज़ों को कन्वर्ट कौन करेगा यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट में? दैट वुड बी लेबर. एंड दिस लेबर ओवर हेयर इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. विच आर दोज टू टाइप्स? दैट इज स्किल्ड लेबर एंड अनस्किल्ड लेबर. You can even see these factors of production through this flow chart. मैंने अभी बताया skilled labor and unskilled labor. तो the skilled labor is the one which is possessing knowledge and skills, or the highly educated workers. Plus along with that there is unskilled labor which is required to do the manual work. Then the third factor of production is capital, और capital में भी कौन सा capital? That is physical capital. So what is physical capital? First of all, the variety of inputs which are required at every stage of production, it is known as physical capital. And this physical capital is of two types, fixed and working. Fixed means what? Which can be purchased once and can be used over many years. ठीक है? फिक्स्ड कैपिटल की डेफिनेशन में क्या आएगा? The things which can be purchased one and can be used for production over many years. The example of this can be tools, machine, building. और working capital क्या होता है? The capital which is required to meet the day-to-day operations of a business. What are those examples of that? Best example of that is raw material and money in hand. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि एक साथ परचेज करके रख लोगे आप रॉ मटेरियल क्या करोगे? एज एंड व्हेन रिक्वायर्ड यू विल बी परचेजिंग दैट रॉ मटेरियल. ठीक है. अदर देन दैट द लास्ट वन इज ह्यूमन कैपिटल. Even for human capital you can learn it as entrepreneur or that is land, labor, capital. ये तीनों चीज़ें हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. इन तीनों चीज़ों को क्या करेगा? कौन रिस्क टेकर होगा? दैट वुड बी द एंटरप्रेन्योर और द ऑर्गेनाइजर, बाइंडर ऑफ अदर फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. सिंपल टर्म्स में ह्यूमन कैपिटल होता क्या है? दैट इज द इन्वेस्टमेंट इन ह्यूमन्स देमसेल्व्स. कैसे होगा इन्वेस्टमेंट? दैट वुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एजुकेशन, ट्रेनिंग एंड मेडिकल केयर. सो दीज आर योर 4 फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. You can even note down the definition of factors of production over here. That is, the factors of production are the inputs those are needed for the process of conversion or the production of goods and services. Again, this slide is depicting the 4 factors of production which are required. In 4 factors of production को जब आप combine कर दोगे, that is together they will be producing the goods and services. You can see the definitions of all these factors of production through this slide also. Land, capital, labor, entrepreneur, all are described in detail in this slide. Now let's discuss about village Palampur. That is, the first thing that we are going to discuss about village Palampur is the infrastructure of village Palampur. So Palampur is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. ठीक है. One example is also attached over here, that is of Raiganj. Raiganj क्या है? It is a big village which is just 3 kilometers away from Palampur. How this Raiganj is being connected to village Palampur? That is through all-weather roads. The all-weather roads, they are connecting the village to Raiganj. हाँ, तो what these all-weather roads are doing? They are connecting the village to Raiganj and further on to the nearest small village town, that is शाहपुर. Now जब roads हैं तो क्या होगा? How the citizens those will be traveling through these roads? That is the various means of transportation those are there in village Palampur. Bullock carts, tongas, bogies, ठीक है, motorcycles, jeeps, tractors, trucks, those are there. Now let's discuss about the houses, types of houses which are there in village Palampur. The houses of upper class, some of them are quite large and they are made up of cement and brick plastering. That is, मैंने आप लोगों को ये कैसे करवाया था? There are 2 types of houses, कच्चा houses and pakka houses. Pakka houses are the ones which are made up of cement and brick plastering. And other than that, the small houses which are there, those are made up of mud and straw. Those are known as kacha houses. And who is living in those houses? That is scheduled caste, the Dalits, those are living in those kacha houses. Other than that, most of the houses which are there in village Palampur, those are having electric connection. ठीक है. Since now they are having electric connection, तो क्या होता है? The electricity, it is used to power the tube wells in the fields and is used in various types of small businesses. Then this Palampur, in terms of education and health, we are going to discuss now. In terms of health and education, let's talk about education first. Palampur is having 2 primary schools and 1 high school. And in terms of health facilities which are there, there is 1 primary health center which is run by the government and 1 private dispensary where the sick are treated. Okay, so this is your infrastructure of village Palampur. That's it for today, class. In tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss about the various farming activities which are carried out in village Palampur. Thank you, class.